YouTube. It's your boy, Mr. Outliner. I'm back with another barber tutorial for y'all. Look here. I'm going to show y'all how to do a lineup, and I'm going to show you how to do a quick taper again. This is a ball tape. The thing I want to show you, look at this lineup and tell me how I'm going to fix it. I'm showing y'all this before I even cut it. I ain't cut it. This is her natural. This is a female. This is her natural lineup, right? This is how her hair grows. You get people under my comments get talking that crazy stuff, talking about, oh, I could have did this to the lineup, and when I cut the hair down, it made the lineup look like this. I'm showing you in this natural state. That's the lineup. That's it. But anyway, let's jump into the haircut. So you can see she got light spots in her hair. So I really want to use a 1.5 right here. I don't want to take it too low because it's light in certain spots already. So we just want to take our time, try to match everything up with the lightest parts, and I felt like a 1.5 would do it. After that, you want to come through and you want to start your bald taper. So I like to bring it like diagonal, like right above the ear or right at the top of the ear. So that's what I do, and then I use my trimmers, whatever trimmers I have, or you can use a shaver, and you can try to get it as bald as possible. So I like to flip my trimmer over in order to make it very close on the baldness. After that, you come back, we have our clipper open, no guard, we have it open, we go up 1/2 inch until we create our second guideline. After that, you want to come, we have our zero guard, and we have our lever closed, and we come up, we try to remove that guideline and make another guideline, right? So you make a line and take a line away. So once you make that second guideline, then you can open your lever and start working the corners of the blade. And then once you're done working the corners with your guard, with your zero guard, you want to come back, no guard again, and you want to finish detailing. Now at this point, like I say, everything is like corner of the blade after you finish removing all the guidelines. You want to come back with the corner of the blade just to perfect it, right? To establish the blend, the blurriness of the bald taper. That's what we're trying to do right here. So you finish working all those things, and then boom, you got your bald taper. But now we're gonna jump into the meat of the video, which is the lineup, right? So looking at it, you want to start in the middle, but you can see the highest point is over here to the left. It's gonna get back in focus to the left. So I kind of started from the left side of the screen because I wanted to come over and go across, right, to the meat in the middle, where it'll give me like a level. I know, how high I can go or where it needs to be. And you see right now, I'm making no enhancements, right? Like I'm making a crispy lineup out of nothing. Is that possible? Can you make a crispy lineup out of nothing? That's the thing. Can you do that? Can you buy that? You know what I'm saying? So this is what separates you from other barbers, and doing a lineup is visual. It's all visual. It's like, chasing a dream. You have to be able to see it before you can do it. So the first thing I do is I assess the line and I picture it in my mind, like where I want the line to be. Number one, this is where I want it to be. Is it possible because there's no hair there? Can I still make it look crispy? You know what I'm saying? With working with less. You don't have to use enhancements to make a lineup pop. I do this in my sleep. But you see, I take my trimmer, I turn it around, and I don't want to push that line back, the vertical bars. I don't want to push that back. So I pull away. I pull to the inside towards the nose, right? And I'm gonna put enhancements on here just because I know that it's gonna make it look better. But I'm showing you before time. Like, don't put enhancements before time. I see people doing all kinds of stuff. Like, I'm an old school boy, but I'm gonna give you a killer fire lineup without enhancements because I didn't have it. Boom, she in the game. Now all I gotta do is come around on this other side and match everything up perfectly. But because this side was a little bit lower than the other side, I gotta bring this side up, right? But I gotta be careful. I don't want to bring it up too much. I don't want to compromise the line. That's what I don't want to do, right? So, taking your time, working it, using the mirrors, pulling away. You see me still pulling towards the inside. I'm not pushing back. I'm pulling towards the inside, like towards her nose, right? So, and I'm taking my time. I don't care if I got to go over it 50 million 11 times. I'm going to make that line crispy with the little bit of hair that's there, right? That's what it is. It's about turning nothing into something. This is a canvas. This is art. This is what we do, right? Getting that thing sharp, crispy. You see how it took me this real time now. I ain't speeding nothing up. This real time, and you see how long it took me to work that corner. But when I was done with that corner though, look at that corner. Like she been having this crispy lineup the whole time. I worked that corner. And that only came because I really took my time to do it. And that's what I'm trying to get y'all to understand about doing the lineup is you have to take your time. Now I can come in, I got my line where I want it to be. Look at it, it's crispy, but we about to make it extra crispy. Come in, I put the hair fiber on. I like the hair fiber because it is a building. It's hair building fiber. So you can build it up as dark or light as you need it to match whatever you need it to match, right? So that's what I'm doing right here. And turn her a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. I'm really just hitting the light spots, right? Making it, try to make everything match up. And if it don't match up, then you can use your comb to comb through it to make everything blend in. Because sometimes you can put it on, it's a little too dark. But after you put it on, you come back and hit the line again, and boom, you in the game. She in the game. Look at that. She in the game. Tell me she ain't in the game. Holla at your boy. Yo, you know what I'm saying? So look, I don't know if I'm gonna do a lineup series, but I'm trying to show y'all do crispy lineup on every video, right? So this is it. This is my approach to the lineup, and this me just doing the front of it just to show you. I did quick ball tape on the side just to show you that also. So yeah, I'm dropping videos on a regular. I told y'all I was back, but anyway, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. You know how we do it. Until next time, love, peace, and hair grease. I'm out.